This is the Kamui Vue mechanical bridge. All right, here we are at the table. Let's put the Kamui Vue bridge to the test. Now it does come with this nice neoprene casing, sleeve. It'll help protect it tremendously. Remember, this is optical grade acrylics. They're crystal clear. So you want to avoid scratching them at all costs. So let's go ahead, see how easy it is to work with this. Just slide it right on any cue. It has 7 different positions. So here's an example. It would be 1. Turn it on this side. You got 2, 3, 4. Rotate it again. You got 5. And then 6 and 7. This deep one is the one I use most. That's just when you have a nice long shot. Obviously you need the bridge. I'll show it a little better. And you can get down on it. It's nice and level. Helps keep it level tremendously. It's great having all these options on one particular bridge. With a traditional bridge usually made out of some type of metal, don't forget, you're taking tremendous chances in possibly scratching or damaging in some way your cue. You spend a lot of money on a cue if you're really into pool. I mean, you could easily spend $300, $400, $500, or even thousands on a cue. Why would you want to take the chance in using an inferior product such as the old-fashioned brass bridges, which you find in most pool halls or even bars? So again, it's worth the investment. It's approximately $40, $39.95. It's pretty much standard all over the internet. I am going to leave a link below to where you can purchase it. I absolutely love it. It's crystal clear. It gives you great view when you have a ball in front. Here's a great example to where I could actually see with no obstructions. I could see that ball. I could take my aim and go ahead and shoot. Personally, I think it's a great product. It's the best bridge that I've come across. The quality of it, the detail to it, how extremely smooth it is. I'm not worried about damaging, my high-end cues. And again, you could easily damage a cue on a real cheap bridge, especially the ones you find in pool halls and bars. I would purchase this, keep it in my cue case, break it out on any opportunity. Again, just protect it. Again, it comes with the protective case. I'd keep it in the case when you're not using it. Don't just leave it leaning on a wall, especially in a bar or a pool hall. Someone's, is going to tip over and damage it. Now here's a great comparison. Right here you have your old traditional bridge. This one I've had for ages. But again, I won't put any of my high-end cues on there because they have left marks on the shaft. The only bridge I will use is the Clear Vue. The Kamui Vue bridge. If you're serious about pool, this is the bridge for you. I'll leave a product link below if you're interested in purchasing the Kamui bridge.